Thanksgiving is almost here, and everybody makes a pumpkin pie. Well, I'm not all that keen on pumpkin pies. I like to make a blackberry pie. This is one of the beautiful recipes from my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. And what a great alternative if you feel like I do, maybe pumpkin pie isn't going to be the best dessert for that Thanksgiving meal. Give this a try. Super easy, beautiful, delicious dessert. I'm starting with 2 cups of blackberries. These are fresh, and I added some raspberries for colors too. Or you can use 2 16-ounce packages of frozen berries. 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a 4-ounce jar of baby food prunes, and a couple pinches of salt. Gently stirring to blend well. Now I'm spooning this berry mixture into a graham cracker crust that I have previously baked. I'm just placing some aluminum foil strips over where the crust is exposed so it doesn't get overbaked. And I'm preheating my toaster oven to 350 degrees. Popping the blackberry pie into the toaster oven. I'm setting the timer for 30 minutes. And while the pie is baking away, I'm going to make the meringue topping. 3 egg whites and a cup of sugar. Mixing until this forms stiff peaks. Stiff peaks. Now spreading on the meringue topping. Popping it back into the toaster oven. We are now at 350 and we're going to bake for 12 minutes. Oh, it's a lovely pie. What a nice alternative to pumpkin pie. Sweet, but not too sweet. Nice and tart, not too tart. The berry flavors are lovely, and of course the meringue just lightens everything up. Blackberry pie, this is another wonderful recipe from my cookbook, Pop It in the Toaster Oven, which you can buy just about anywhere. Give this a try.